What is the green wire used for in HVAC thermostat settings? Simply, we've covered the blue, we've covered the red. So now to the green. What is the function? The utilitarian aspect of the green wire is the same as the red as far as the voltage it will pull, the amperage it will pull, etc. So now we pull 24 volts into the red. When the thermostat calls for fan or is manually set to fan, the G wire, which is the green wire, is energized. This energize will send 24-volt signal through to actually start the blower motor. So if one goes to their registers in the home, whether they be in the floor or whether they be in the ceiling, and put your hand over it, if the fan is working properly, this green is energized and the fan motor is working. However, keep in mind, just because you have voltage on this green wire does not indicate that the blower, there could be other issues if you have a bad blower, etc., etc. At that point, you will need to call your HVAC company to have them to assess, diagnose, and repair your problem. So once we're here, the blower motor is energized, the blower comes on via a call for thermostat, whether it be heat, whether it be cooling. So if one were to take a piece of notebook paper between their index finger and their thumb and lightly hold it about 4 to 6 inches away from the register, if the blower motor is working properly, one should notice the paper begin to flop in their fingers, which means the blower motor is working. However, that's not to indicate in all areas that the blower motor is actually working properly, but it's actually a good telltale sign. So let's rehash. The green wire in your thermostat bundle is for your fan. Green wire, 24 volts for your fan to energize your blower. So, do you need the thermostat to energize your blower? Yes, unless you jumper the wires out. However, one can take the thermostat and move the settings to fan mode instead of the auto mode and run it manually. So it may be like switching on a light switch at that point. So, notwithstanding whether there be a call for cool or heat, if you manually put it in fan mode, then your fan will work only, but the other items may not work. So that's one good way to determine if your blower motor is working properly, a good diagnosis way to eliminate that quickly. Simply just throw it on fan mode. However, be sure when you desire the thermostat to function automatically, be sure the thermostat is set in auto cool or auto heat. So again, to rehash, the green wire is in your thermostat bundle is for the fan motor and supplies 24 volts, which will um, activate a relay or whatnot, or the board to call for the fan to come on. And so again, green wire, fan motor, blower motor produces 24 volts supplied from the from the other thermostat, the incoming red and the incoming blue thermostat, 24 volts. And again, this will do, you can run it manually or automatically. So if you just want to test your blower motor, manually throw it in fan mode. If you want the thermostat to call for heat and do it auto, be sure to leave your thermostat in auto, either cool or heat, whichever you desire. If you like this video and find it helpful, please press the like button and subscribe.